August the 13th. If clouds are full of water, they pour rain upon the earth. Ecclesiastes chapter 11 verse 3. If we believe the message of this verse, then why do we dread the clouds that darken our sky? It is true that for a while the dark clouds hide the sun, but it is not extinguished, and it will soon shine again. Meanwhile, those clouds are filled with rain, and the darker they are, the more likely they are to bring plentiful showers. How can we have rain without clouds? Our troubles have always brought us blessings, and they will, for they are the dark chariots of God's bright and glorious grace. Before long, the clouds will be emptied, and every tender plant will be happier due to the showers. Our God may drench us with grief, but He will refresh us with His mercy. Our Lord's love letters often come to us in dark envelopes. His wagons may rumble noisily across the sky, but they are loaded with benefits. And His rod blossoms with sweet flowers and nourishing fruits. So let us not worry about the clouds. Instead, let us sing, because May flowers are brought to us through April clouds and showers. O Lord, clouds are the dust of your feet. Nahum chapter 1 verse 3. Help us remember how near you are during the dark and cloudy days. Love beholds you and is glad. Faith sees the clouds emptying themselves and thereby making the hills on every side rejoice. Charles H. Spurgeon. What seems so dark to your dim sight may be a shadow seen aright, making some brightness doubly bright. The flash that struck your tree no more to shelter thee lets heaven's blue floor shine where it never shone before. The cry wrung from your spirit's pain may echo on some far-off plain and guide a wanderer home again. The blue sky of heaven is much larger than the dark clouds